Plant FAQs, Syngonium 3 Kings. Syngonium 3 Kings, your guide to the tricolored beauty. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the world of the stunning Syngonium 3 Kings. This variegated wonder has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts with its mesmerizing foliage and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Syngonium 3 Kings and keeping it thriving. See more 41 species in genus Syngonium. Arrowhead plant at monsteraholic.com. What is a Syngonium 3 Kings? The Syngonium 3 Kings, formerly known as Syngonium podophyllum jade, is a captivating member of the Araceae family. It's prized for its arrowhead-shaped leaves boasting a captivating tricolor effect. Imagine a deep green base splashed with splashes of light green and white, creating a unique and ever-changing display. Each leaf is like a miniature artwork, ensuring your plant is a conversation starter wherever it resides. This beauty is a fast grower, and with proper care, it can mature into a majestic climber with impressive, large leaves. Syngonium 3 Kings versus Albo. My Albo Syngonium is a real showstopper. The leaves are a stunning mix of creamy white and emerald green, with some leaves almost entirely white. It's like a living piece of modern art. But this beauty comes with a price. Syngonium albo can be fussy about light, needing bright, indirect light to maintain its variegation. If it gets too little light, those gorgeous white patches start to fade. On the other hand, too much light can scorch the delicate white parts. Finding the perfect light balance can be a constant dance. Syngonium 3 Kings versus Jade. The Jade Syngonium, however, is a burst of pure sunshine. Its leaves are a gorgeous, rich green, with a healthy sheen that makes them look almost polished. It's a classic beauty that never goes out of style. Plus, Syngonium Jade grows like a champ. New leaves pop out regularly, and it fills out its pot quickly. It's the perfect plant for someone who wants a low-maintenance pop of color in their home. How to care for your Syngonium 3 Kings. Taking care of your Syngonium 3 Kings is delightfully straightforward. Here are the key aspects to keep in mind. Light. This beauty thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves and fade the variegation. East or north-facing windows are ideal. Water. Aim for consistent watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering is a common culprit for problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture formulated for aroids or African violets, which ensures proper drainage and aeration. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, moderate humidity can benefit your Syngonium 3 Kings. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity levels. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a monthly dose of diluted liquid fertilizer can keep your plant flourishing. However, avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots. Support. As your Syngonium 3 Kings matures, it will naturally want to climb. Providing a moss pole or trellis allows it to elegantly sprawl upwards, maximizing its visual impact. Common problems and solutions. Even the most dedicated plant parent can encounter occasional issues. Here are some common problems you might face with your Syngonium 3 Kings and how to address them. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or insufficient light. Check the watering schedule and adjust accordingly. Ensure it receives adequate indirect light. Yellowing leaves. Similar to brown leaves, yellowing can indicate underwatering, overwatering, or lack of light. Investigate the cause and make necessary adjustments. Leggy growth. This is typically a sign of insufficient light. Move your plant to a brighter location with indirect light. Pests. Inspect your plant regularly for common pests like mealybugs or spider mites. Neem oil solution or insecticidal soap can be effective in eliminating them. Remember, early detection and intervention are key to resolving any issues quickly and keeping your Syngonium 3 Kings healthy. Conclusion. The Syngonium 3 Kings is a captivating plant that offers a unique combination of beauty and ease of care. With its stunning tricolor foliage and easygoing nature, it's a perfect addition to any plant collection.